So we are making some ice cream and we are going to test this out. This is the first time we made the ice cream in here, and it's not fully complete. As you see, it's still stirring, but we have somebody very eager to try it that wants to try it out. So we're going to put just a teeny bit in it. So we're going to do the handle like this. We're going to put just a little piece, a little plop of it. And now you can try it out and see if you like it. Do you like it?
Yeah. Oh my God, it tastes like real ice cream.
It tastes like real ice cream?
Yeah.
Mmm.
I'm not eating all of it.
Go. All right, we're going to try a little bit. Nope, we're going to pull down on the handle just a little bit. We're going to let it come out, and we're going to twirl it around. We're going to spin it around, and we're going to stop it.
Stop it. Stop,
Yep,
stop,
and then it has the drip tray down below.
Pretty good.
I gotta say, this is an amazing machine. I absolutely love this machine. It was so easy to use. So here we have the front of it. So you're gonna see those flashing lights, and they do stop once it reaches to temperature or to the desired program you pick. It has some reference stickers for you to easily look at. You'll get the manual with it. This is the drip tray here. You can take it out. Everything can be washed. Don't submerge the main base in water. This is the cover for the pour spout here, and it does come off as well. You'll have the pour handle and that twist on and off. Doing a full 360 on it, we're going to go all the way around. You can unlock it and lock it, and that will be adjusted with the handle on the top, and that's to get the main unit container out. So the ice cream has been mixing for about 20 minutes, so it's not quite ready, but I'm going to show you a close-up of the top here. So this is going to be the lid where you put in the liquid ingredients, and I absolutely love that they have all these stickers right on everything and handy for you. This is going to be where you pick up to lift it, to unlock it, and pull out the clear part, which I'll show you in a minute. But this is the cap you'll open up. You can put the liquid in there while it's starting to run. Look how nicely this soft serve ice cream flows out. It looks so delicious and it tastes amazing. I also tried spiked drinks in here and they turned out delicious as well. This machine is just simple and easy to use. So let's look at the unlocking feature. You just pull this up, it pulls out the clear part of it. You can see it kind of pop forward. That will unlock it so you can slide this out, take it off to wash it and clean it. And then when you're done and you want to put it back in, you'll just shut it and close it to lock it. So this is a liquid tray that will catch any type of drip from when you're pouring it in on the top. It will just fall underneath here, and you can slide this out and wash this as well. And of course, the stirrer can come out and also be washed. So there you have it. This 6-in-1 slushy ice cream maker really just has it all.